Oh, I'm going to get you so good. Yeah, it's nice. And it's nasty, dude. I'm no good. You don't understand. I'm making the most nasty sock puppet of the time. Give me the assistance right there. Yes, I sparked it up and tried to get it hot and nasty for them. Yes, get it going right now. Oh, that's so nasty and sweet. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm going to burn you and make the sparks and make you get really hot. Holy shit. And make you so. Oh, shit. I think I got myself on fire. Oh, shit.
What the hell is going on in here?
I'm trying to build a sock puppet, but he ended up having a penis.
Why are we in black and white?
I have no fucking idea. But all I know is I want vagina on this motherfucker right now.
Come on, we have to go show the bloopers from the last room for Rick. Come on.
Oh, that okay, sure, but I still want a vagina on this motherfucker.
Now.
Okay, sure. Vagina!
It's alive!
Hey, Uncle Chico's in the house! Man, I feel like I got something up my... Oh, hey, kid. You ever seen a grown man naked? Nice hump.
Here it comes! Look like you were bowling. I hate this freaking commercial, man.
I don't know.
Who'd buy that crap?
He seems trustworthy to me.
Who's doing it?
Okay, where'd that line come from?
I don't know. It just seemed natural.
Perfect. That's perfect. Because Roy does it too.
Yeah.
He's like, what the fuck's he looking at?
No. Where's Dude at?
Where's Dude at? Bring it back.
Beer delivery, huh?
Yep. Hey. Hey, how about you unload these for me?
How about we redo that?
My foot got caught there on that step. Oh!
I heard that quack.
I smelled the fart though. It's still here. Oh my god, it's like the quickening. Oh, no, for real. Go stand by the door.
Hi, Satan. And then jump in. I love your work.
You should be like fucking, like you know what I'm saying? Like some Lord of the Rings shit. Should have sent for a poet.
Ah, shit. You can see the titties.
I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna hit those herpy red robot titties.
God, I'm glad I couldn't see myself
Those
at
are
the
good
time.
cotillions.
Oh, we still on? I'm sorry.
Dude, I'm no good. You don't understand. I'm making the most nasty sock puppet of the time.